I'm so busy. Cooking. I need someone to help me come and make this cake.
I haven't seen my grandma in such a long time. Maybe I should visit her. Hi, Grandma. It's been such a long time since I've seen you. I've missed you. How are you?
I'm good. I haven't seen you in a long time.
I've been so busy looking for my letters. I'm nearly finished, and I've met so many different people. Have you seen any of my letters?
Yes.
Can I have that?
Well, yes, but you need to give me 3 signs that start with G.
Oh, gee. Oh, glove. Uh, oh, me, Geo. And, oh, you, Grandma.
Mm-hmm. Fantastic. Great. I'll give it to you now.
Thank you.
I'm going to make a cake. Can you help me?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Geo. Finally finished making the cake. Now we can relax.
Making that cake sure was fun. I loved it.
Why don't we make another cake?
Another cake? Yeah, sure, come on.